We are ready. I have just shared the revised minute-to-minute program in the group also. And I have shared the PPT of Professor Shweta Anand ma'am. Kindly put on your camera, we can see you all and can have a virtual group photographs. I will be sharing that photographs in the group also. Please stay. Do not turn off your camera so that I can take some pictures. Very good, very good. Thank you. I hope you all have enjoyed the sessions. Sir, with your permission, shall we start the program? Thank you all. Now I can see some more new faces. Very good. So, dear all, welcome to this valedictory session. I will be presenting a short report. You can now turn off your camera if you want, or you can leave your camera open, whatever you may like. If you are ready, then we will just continue with the session. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to this valedictory session of FDP. I would like to who joined us in this faculty development program on academic leadership and management of professional education, which was held during 14 to 18 September 2020. Now I will be presenting a short report of the sessions. The FDP started with the inaugural program on 14 September with the under the fortunate presence of Honorable Vice Chancellor Gurukul Kangdi Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar, who inaugurated the session and officially announced the commencement of FDP. In the inaugural session, we were delighted to have the blessings of Professor Ravindra Kumar Soni, Director AICTE Atal FDP Program, and Professor Ishwar Bhardwaj, Dean Academics, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar. Day 1, Session 2 began with the renowned motivational speaker, Dr. Vikas Arora, Director Sunshine Group, Rajkot, who talked about the leadership, meaning, requirement, and expectations and presented various real-life examples of great leaders. Session 3 was delivered by dynamic Professor V.K. Singh, Dean, Faculty of Management Studies, Gurukul Kangdi Vishwavidyalaya, who inspired us to explore the dimensions of professional education and leadership. Day 2 began with the lecture of Professor Amit Mittal of Chitkara University, and he discussed the types of leadership and he also presented the insights of life of great leaders. On day 2, session 2, we had the blissful presence of Professor Alok Kumar Chakraval, Professor, Department of Commerce and Business Administration, Saurashtra University, Rajkot, who delivered his talk on team building experiences and academic. Two ended with the invited talk on presentation skills for leaders by Professor Gunmala Suri ma'am from Punjab University. The way she presented the slides was really great, and I hope that all the participants have learning new concepts in leadership. Day 3, session 1 was delivered by Professor Pankaj Madan, Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya, Haridwar. He discussed the concepts of academic leadership and individual discovery and reflections for excellence, and shared his own experiences with the participants. I personally feel that the personal experiences teach us more than anything, and we are fortunate to have a guide, a mentor like Professor Madan with us. Day 3, session 2 was delivered by Mr. Anil Kumar Upadhyay, ex-GM, who has a wide and vast experience of leadership and capacity building. He delivered his talk on learning circles. Day 3, session 3 was delivered by Dr. Mayank Agarwal at Department of Computer Science and Engineering. He inspired us on virtual spaces and academic leadership. On day 4, session 1 was taken by Professor H.C. Purohit, talk on strategy for reforms in universities and their departments. The next session was taken by Dr. Ritesh Shukla, who discussed about industry engagement, collaboration, and development. The day ended with a session by Dr. Jayaprakash Bhamu, Principal, College Bikaner, delivered his session on strategy for governance in autonomous institutions. Last day of FDP, that is today, we had sessions of Professor Alka Sharma, Professor Jammu University, who discussed the methods for developing highly effective teachers by providing us the guide. And we also enjoyed her lecture by having the examples of real life. The next session was delivered by inspiring Professor Sanjeev Marwa, Director JK Business School, who delivered his session on preparing action plan for change. The last session was delivered by Professor Shweta Anand on implementing change for excellence. I hope all the participants have learned so many things, so many activities we have done in this FDP, and so many new researches we have come to know in this FDP. I hope you all have enjoyed the sessions and would like to share your feedback with us. I will be sharing the feedback link in the chat and also in the WhatsApp group. So you all are invited to submit the feedback after this valedictory session. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Pankaj Madan as us and to express his comments on this FDP. Then after Professor Pankaj Madan, we will be inviting some participants for the feedback. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Suyesh. Honorable Dr. Girdhali Lalji, Assistant Director, AICTE. Sir, I heartily welcome you to this valedictory session, and I am highly obliged and thankful that you have accepted our request to be the chief guest of this program. So, from deep of my heart and on behalf of Gurukul Kangri and Faculty of Engineering and Technology, I welcome you to this program, and I am happy that you are available, and many of our participants will be sharing their feedback and their views about our 5 days at FDP. Dr. Suyash has very elaborately described the sessions which were held in last 5 days, and all our experts were very, very intelligent and very experienced. They have been working in this area for last many years. We tried our best to bring the best experts from academics, industry, and the best part was that AICT allowed us to conduct this program in the online mode, because I can never imagine that to arrange accommodation, fooding, transport for more than 200 people in Gurukul Kangdi and in Haridwar, it would have been so hectic, because and we would have been diverted from the main area, that is the academics, or that the delivery of the content. But I'm really very happy because I could attend the whole 5-day program. Many of our experts have attended all the 5 days program. All the participants were here. I could see the average attendance was 165 to 170, and then it went to 191 today. So it means it was so convenient. So, sir, Professor Girdwari Lalji, I am very thankful to you. I am thankful to the chairman. I am thankful to the vice chairman, the member secretary, Soni Saab, and especially you for giving this program to Gurukul Kangdi, to Faculty of Engineering and Technology, and especially conducting this program in the online mode. Overall, my observation is that we did our best to conduct this online. Maybe unfortunately, one or two technical glitches must have happened for half a minute or 1 minute. But overall, I could, because I was present for all 5 days, so I have heard all my experts. They have expressed so well, and I wish that all our participants must have enjoyed this program. We have with us in this program 2 registrars today. We have a registrar of Manipur University with us. I don't know, he has joined or he'll be joining very soon. I'll be connecting with him till the participants will be giving their feedback. Then our own registrar, Professor Bhatt, who is a very, very famous professor of environment science. I have also requested him to join this program. I can see now Professor W.C. Singh, who's a professor of management in Manipur University and also registrar in Manipur University. We'll be listening to both of them, and we'll be first, because we have been speaking for 5 days, but Dr. Girdhari Lalji has instructed me that he wants to listen to the feedback of the participants. So, Dr. Suyesh, I'll not take much of the time. I would request you to call one by one the participants who have given their name, and even after that, if someone is interested, he can do a WhatsApp to you, and he can come on the screen and he can share his feelings and views with us. Over to Dr. Suyesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this chance to work with you, work under your kind guidance, and I have learned so much from you. So many thanks for allowing me and for giving me this chance to work with you in this FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pankaj Madan, sir. Now I would like to call Dr. Ranu Vishwas, BCDA College of Pharmacy and Technology, West Bengal, to share her feedback with us. Can we have you, ma'am? Professor Ranu Vishwas, are you able to hear us? Dr. K. Lata, can we have you first? I can see you. You are connected with us, Dr. K. Lata. Dr. K. Lata.
Yeah, am I audible, sir? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, fine. Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Lata, Professor and HOD of English, SV College of Engineering, Tirupati.
And you need to be loud, more loud, ma'am.
Ma'am, please
Yeah, is
speak
it
a
okay
little
now,
bit
sir?
louder.
Is it okay now, sir? Hello?
No, we need more loud voice.
Hello.
बोलिए मैम, आपकी आवाज आ रही है, धीमी आ रही है, थोड़ा और तेज बोलिए.
Yeah, is it okay now, sir?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, fine. Good evening, everyone. Leadership is an unlocking people's potential to become a better. I truly believe this. FDP proves it very strongly. I take this privilege to extend my sense of gratitude to all the organizers here for this FDP, Academic Leadership and Management of Professional Education. Thank you for enlightening us with all the concepts like leadership is all about a change and change management. Definitely, I was in a opinion that leaders are born, but this FDP made me to identify we do have the leaders are born and they are made with certain strategies and development level competence and commitment. The resource persons have enlightened with various things related to leadership styles, behavior, and how situational approach works. The Peter principle, this is very new because I'm not the student from management background, I'm from literature background. This FDP helped me a lot to learn many things that I can take back to my class and make my learners very successful. And I have learned something about good practice initiatives for the research development, the area which I love the most, and have to give an effective presentation. As a fraternity, we people are very much into the giving the presentations, and this pandemic had made us to get into very different scenario of getting into online education. This classes helped me to get into effective presentation. I'd like to thank everyone, all the organizers, especially Professor Pankaj Madan sir for his timely reply and information regarding all the assignments, especially Dr. Suyesh Bharadwaj sir for his patience in guiding all the participants regarding the schedule, feedback links, and timely guidance. I thank you everyone from bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Now, can we have Professor Somu Parane Bhaveswar, Engineering College, Bagalkot, Karnataka? Can we have you, sir?
Yes, sir. So, good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
So,
Good evening.
thanks to the Gurukula Kangri Vishwavidyalaya. So, I felt very happy. So, first of all, I'd like to thank, very thankful to all the organizers who organized this meeting very successfully. And without those people, even many people were trying hard to get into the Cisco WebEx. So, Madan sir and Suyesh sir had done a lot of efforts to make convenient to all the people to follow the technology and to carry out the deeds what they defined. So I'm very happy for that, and all the participants also supported for that, and they cope up with the WebEx. And it is a very difficult task to make all to come up with the cope up with the technology. So first, I would like to congratulate Suyesh sir for that purpose, and simultaneously the Madan sir, who used to be all the time used to be as a backbone for each and every minute. He used to update regarding whatever the things is to happen. So and afterwards, I would like to thank that Suri ma'am to get to know about how to connect to the people, participation in the actual virtual meetings. Actually, we used to be with the one-to-one used to talk, and in this virtual communication, it was going to be very difficult. I am wholeheartedly thank Suri ma'am. So how she made us to actively make participation of the students into this particular, how to take them into the confident, how to talk, and afterwards about leadership, taking meaning of the meaning requirements of the leadership, dimensions, academic leaderships, team building. Literally, team building is a wonderful thing. What it has been completed in this task, because a team can't do well unless until each and every member is serious about his responsibility. Personal interest should be taken at the back seat. So each and every resource persons shared their wonderful knowledge. I was felt very happy. So I'd like to thank this particular Gurukula Kangri Vishwavidyalaya. So to overwhelm me the knowledge of academic leadership and giving me a lot of knowledge regarding the leadership and how to lead the students, how to influence the students, and guiding the people. And I had to make this particular types of the leaders, managers. Actually, it is a wonderful session, sir. Thank you. And I would like to thank Suresh sir and Madan sir for being in tight communication with all the participants. It covered all over India. I think it is from Delhi to north and south, east, west. So actually, the change you people done it very positively, sir. Congratulations. So this online class reached each and every part of India, I hope. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this valuable feedback. And yes, you are right. We covered almost all states of India, and we
Yes.
have the participants from more than 150 different institutions from
Exactly.
23 states of India.
Yes.
Yes. So it was a diverse and it was a mixed batch we had in this FDP, and I hope we are going to reciprocate the knowledge in all the ways, in all the states, in every way possible we can.
Okay,
So
sir.
thank you once again, sir. Now I would like to invite Ranu Biswas, ma'am, to express his views, express her views, and give her valuable feedback to us. Are you able to hear us, Ranu Biswas, ma'am?
Yeah, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are clearly audible. Please continue with your suggestions and valuable feedback.
Okay, myself Ranu Biswas, faculty from Pharmaceutical Technology.
Ma'am,
BCDA
please
College.
turn on your camera so that we can see you also. If it is possible,
Okay, sir.
turn on your camera.
And speak loudly also, ma'am. Please be more loud.
Okay, am I visible, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is okay, sir.
You're not visible.
You are not visible right now. Please turn on your camera so that everyone will be able to see you.
Now you can see me, sir.
Yes, you can. Yes.
Yeah. Now you are visible. Please.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, myself Ranu Biswas, faculty from Pharmaceutical Technology Department, College, Pharmacy College in Kolkata. So first of all, I am very much thankful to this organizing committee for giving me this kind of the opportunity to say a few words regarding this valuable FDP program. So from the very beginning, 14 September onwards, I am attending all the sessions, and I am really pleased for attending this kind of the program because this knowledge not only for our personal development, it is also for the development of the nations only, our country only, because the topic was very much interesting. That is the leadership and team building. If faculty will impart this knowledge in between them, then only they can transfer that knowledge to their students, as students as the future of the nations. So I think this program is very much valuable for the faculty, for the students, as well as for our nations. Now comes to the organizing team. Pankaj sir and Suhas sir, they are very cooperative and communicative and very effective organization, very planned organization for this program. Now next point comes to the speaker. All the speakers are very much knowledgeable and their way of presentation was very nice and attractive. And all the PPTs we got for our future references, not only for this exam purpose only, but for the future reference, this PPT will be very much helpful. So once again, I am thanking to the organizing team for organization of such kind of the program. And I hope in future, I will also willing to attend this kind of program from your organization, hopefully. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to give say a few words in this program. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this valuable feedback, and I hope we all be connected with all the participants, and we will share the knowledge and we will share the experience which we have gained in this FDP. I would like to invite Dr. Purvi Goswami. She was having some in the sessions while joining, and I hope now your all problems are solved and you are able to get the knowledge of the speakers very well. Dr. Purvi Goswami, are you able to hear us? We would like.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, you are clearly audible and clearly visible to us.
okay. Thank you. So, yeah, actually, I had a problem with my email. I was able to join in the sessions. I was not getting the information. So, anyway, thank you for your prompt help, which I got. Actually, a very warm good afternoon to all the esteemed members associated with Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya and AICTE and all the esteemed co-participants of me. It was actually a very enriching experience for me. I also belong to the Department of Humanities, and topic that I attended was in a way new to me, and that's why it gave me the opportunity to learn many new things regarding teaching, leadership, and how teaching and leadership actually can never be separated and actually are two sides of the same coin. So it was a very good experience for me, and I am really thankful and grateful to AICT and Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya for giving me the opportunity to listen to such scholars. Thank you once again. So as it is feedback, I just wanted to say two things. Of course, you will know it better. But yesterday we had a session on family industries, I think. So when I was attending that session, I was wondering a little bit that is there a need to include that session, which is basically on academic leadership. And today morning we had a session by Alka Sharma ma'am, which was really very important for us, and we were able to learn many new things practically. And I thought that if she could have been given two sessions instead of one, because I knew that she had to do hurry in finishing her PPTs and all. So this is just the view of me personally, and as organizers and people who have actually taken the pain to arrange it, you will know it better. So as feedback, I just have told you these things, and thank you. Overall, it was really an enriching experience. Thank you very much.
Suggestions also, and for your feedback. Now over to Pankaj Madan, presenting a summary and presenting thanks to all the speakers.
I heartily welcome Professor Dinesh Bhatt Saab, who is Registrar Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya. We have one more registrar with us, Professor W.C. Singh, who is Professor of Management and Registrar of Manipur University. We have Mr. Upadhyay with us, ex-GM from BHL. I heartily welcome you all again to this valedictory session. I again heartily welcome Dr. Girdhari Lalji, Assistant Director, AICTE, who is with us as a chief guest today. So whatever I had to speak, I had to arrange, whatever I could do, I did my best in last 5 days. So I should not speak rather on this. Rather, my actions must have spoken in last 5 days. So we have heard the feedback from the participants. So we are happy that they are happy about this program, except one or two glitches, technical glitches. So Suyash, you can continue with the program, inviting the guests to speak on. Over to Dr. Suyash.
Thank you, sir. We have our one of our guests, Professor W.C. Singh from Manipal University. I would like to.
It's Manipur University, not Manipal. Manipur University.
Yes, Manipur University. Yes, sorry. He is the Professor of Management in Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, in Manipur University. Sir, I would like to welcome you in this valedictory session, and we will be happy to hear from you and to get your blessings.
Thank you, sir, and good evening, all of you. And I'm so thankful to Professor Pankaj Madan, and is very close to me since 1998. I know Professor Madan, and since then we are still connected and doing a lot of academic activities together in different platforms. And I'm so happy to see you. And I'm so thankful to Gurukul Kangri again for giving me this opportunity. And I remember the time when I visited Gurukul Kangri University in 1998, and since then the university is very close to my heart. In fact, I joined as a registrar very recently in this university, that is in the month of March 2020, and we are trying to streamline a little bit. And this 5 days academic leadership and management of the professional educators, this is really a very good program which Professor Madan has initiated. And yeah, universities today are having huge problem. And when I joined this university and in the administration this year, I came to know that most of the problems which we find out here is a systematic problem. And we need to bring a change in this systematic problem. Otherwise, in the coming few years' time, many of the universities may sink, and this may destroy the concept of higher education. And we have a very strong higher education vision, and higher education policy 2020 has come. But the way we understand this new education policy 2020 and the concept of implementing the policies in the universities, that is basically very, very worrying condition. We talk about the university vision, mission, and objective, but the way we function in the universities, as per my experience so far in the last, say, few months' time, is something very, very routine. So the vision, mission, and objective that remains in the paper, but the functioning looks, say, quite a routine matter. And this routine, say, way of doing things, and this is occupying the 99% of the time which we are doing in the university. So the concept of focusing to the vision, the concept of focusing to the mission, and understanding the objectives and strategies for achieving these vision and objectives, that is sidelined in the university system. This is what I feel. Yes, of course, there may be many other bigger universities and bigger institutions that might have done very well, but I'm sharing the experience of my own university. So we're trying to transform it a little bit. And here, in fact, the concept of bringing change here in the university, mainly I target here towards building a self-sustainability. And if we can't build self-sustainability, the universities may lose its own credibility. We have all about resources, but the resources are not really exploited and groomed. And it is one aspect which we find in the university system. And we are basically forgetting the innovation and innovative practices in the university system. And the concept of continuous benchmarking, and that concept is not there with most of the faculty and the staff members in the university system. And this is one of the major issue. And when we talk about the self-sustainability, this time university is really trying to generate its own, say, fund, and at the same time minimizing this cost cutting on one side and the revenue generation on the other. And this is what we are planning. So we are planning to come up with much more innovative and employment-oriented courses, and this is what we are targeting on one side. On the other hand, ministry talks about implementation of learning outcome-based curriculum framework, and yes, University Grants Commission adopted this vision of learning outcome-oriented curriculum framework, but university could not implement it since long, and we are implementing from this year onwards. So the concept of learning through this learning outcome-based curriculum framework is little different from what we have seen earlier. here we are going to focus more to different platforms of learning. Earlier, learning was mainly confined to the classroom, and we talk about the outbound learning, and now the online learning, that is again is another integration which has come up in this learning outcome based curriculum framework. So the concept of classroom learning plus outbound learning plus online learning, that has become very important. So, and while trying to streamline all these things, when we talk about on one side the high-fi course curriculum and the challenging course curriculum, but on the other hand, the attitude of the faculty members and people in university to say own this particular system is very, very less. And how to say bring more ownership to this LOCF itself is a big challenge at present in the universities. This is what I feel. Now, this is one aspect. The curriculum, the programs, and this innovation and the creativity in that, that is one aspect which we are focusing. On the other hand, we're trying to cut down the costs, and we're just planning to come to lean in a thin organization. This is what we are really focusing. So through that, for that purpose, the e-office concept we have come up, and this e-office concept we are planning to implement till December this year, and it becomes very, very important. So by the time university was having only 25 departments, that time we have did that much, is around 500 non-teaching sanctioned posts. Now the total number of departments has increased to 45 in the Manipur University, but the non-teaching positions that remains as it is. So when we demanded to the UGC and the Ministry of HRD for giving some sanction posts in that, that they have basically not keen to do that. So that is why we just want to implement this e-office concept and grooming the existing non-teaching staff for bringing more efficiency in the organization. And otherwise, it will be very, very difficult for us to manage the university system and to maintain the sustainability. So some of these issues which I find in the last few months' time, and academic leadership, that concept was not very thorough most of the time in the minds of the people and in the ministries also. But academic leadership is something which is extremely important, and because once academic leadership is sound, then only we will be able to bring change in the society, and the industries will flourish, and the people will be educated, and the kind of education will be much more relevant to the society and industry. And that concept is very, very important and at present. So academic leadership, that has become nowadays a 24/7 job. Earlier, we feel that people will go to office at 10 o'clock and will be back by 5 p.m. That concept has gone, now even in the academic and in academics and the education sector. So it has become more of a 24/7 job. And yes, I could not attend and listen to the learned speakers of the 5 days faculty development program. But at the last moment, I could see lots of faces and 145 people in the list. And but that is really impressive. And I wish all the learned participants to do well in their own profession and bring change in the system of education. Will be connected, and please drop me mails and visit Manipur, and we'll have much more fruitful interaction in future. And finally, I'm so thankful to Professor Pankaj because of you, I'm here to see in this very last moment of the time. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you, Professor Atul Singh Saab, for being in this session.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Suyash, please continue. Dr. Suyash.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
डॉक्टर सुयश आवाज नहीं आ रही, प्लीज अनम्यूट.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, W. Singh, sir, for joining us on this short notice and giving us these valuable suggestions and feedback. I hope we can have you here in another FDP or in another session. We can listen to you all day. It was so nice of you to join us. Now, I would like to invite our dynamic personality, our dynamic registrar, sir, for blessing us on this valedictory session on this occasion. Are you able to hear me, sir? Please.
Yeah. Thank you, Suyas, for inviting me to this event to speak few words. I think, am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Please.
It is indeed a pleasure to listen many speakers of this event, of this closing event, and especially because the topic is really very interesting, and as well as it is the demand of the time, as you have already discussed a lot about the academic leadership and management of professional education. And I just heard about the topic from Dr. W.C. Singh, who is a registrar in Manipur University. Because first day and the other days, I was not able to join this meeting, but at this closing function, I mean, it is very difficult for me to comment about different aspects of the talk which you all delivered or participated during different sessions. But I understand that academic leadership and environment, this was the topic which was assigned to me to say about. I think the environment plays a significant role to develop leadership in all spheres, in all fields, in academics, in administration, in campus environment. I mean, how the campus has the environment, online environment, grievance redressal environment, and research environment in any university. And as Dr. Singh has already said, that every university has its own mission and vision. And according to mission and vision, university almost, I mean, we run the university, but most of the, in general, it has been realized that most of the universities are not taking care of the mission and the vision. It is a fact indeed. No, this is the time when we need to know the exact meaning of the education and the exact meaning of the administration. I mean, what kind of administration we are going to deliver, and what kind of the education we are going to deliver, and from where we are getting inputs in the name of the education or in the name of the administration. Unfortunately, most of the parts of the education system we borrowed from the foreign countries and the foreign universities. Whatever the UGC is also saying these days, it is also mostly from the foreign minds. Okay, the pattern also we are borrowing from other countries, and unfortunately, which I noticed as a person, as a citizen, that less importance is being given to the primary education, which is where really need is to be, attention is to be given, because these are the nurseries from where we get the students. But the condition of the primary education in this is bad, especially in the government system, and most of the universities, in most of the government universities also, these days, things are, especially as we realize our system also, there are lack of proper funding, sometimes proper infrastructure, and it is because we are dependent on government for funding and other things. But if we really wants to grow in the area of education and to develop leadership, we really have to start from some basic ideas, that for what the basic ideas of education was in our ancient tradition, in our ancient culture, for what purpose we are going to school, for what purpose we read things, and what kind of education we are serving to the students. This syllabus, of course, we need, we from time to time, there are always revision of the syllabus. We have board of studies, we have different, in research also, we have different research degree committee and other committees also. And there are a number of committees in University Grant Commission level also, at national level also. But in these 70 years, though we developed in the field of science and technology, but in basic sciences and in developing in infrastructure in different parts of the country, especially in the remote areas, especially in the government college system, the infrastructure as well as manpower is, I mean, what I can say is almost not available. If I talk about the Uttarakhand, there are places where a number of government colleges are there, but there are only few teachers and few students with poor infrastructure. I remember one incident when I was acting as a presiding officer about 15-20 years back in an election. So we were assigned one school almost in a suburban area, not in a remote place. And when we were closing our ballot papers and other things at about 5 o'clock, suddenly there was a storm, and the school was not having any window, and we were provided candle and the matchbox to lit so that we could see what to write at the time when we submit the different 16 envelopes to the Election Commission office. So at that time there was no light, all papers, they scattered hither and thither due to storm. So then I realized that we are in a school where there is not even a window with the door. So this is very pathetic. So I'm insisting, especially through you all people, that we should request the different governments, the state governments as well as the central government, that please look at the basic education so that the nursery would remain prosper, and from that nursery we will get good students for the higher education. Because what is higher education is again debatable. What kind of education? Is it a skill development? Even during ancient period, the Newton was not having any sophisticated laboratory. The Einstein was also not having any sophisticated laboratory. Even then, they developed Michael Faraday and all scientists about 50 years, 60 years back. The mind was their laboratory. They were not having such facilities as we are enjoying these days in different science and technical universities. So it is basically the mind, it is basically the nervous system, and it is basically the traditions and how we are developing such things, the ancient part with the recent part, and a combination of East and West, then only we could deliver better. So because the time is short, and it's a very, interesting topic. It's a very stimulating topic, and I hope you all enjoyed different talks. And lastly, at this, what I can say, as a concluding vote of thanks, I would like to thank the organizer, especially the coordinator of this event, Dr. Pankaj Madan, who is the Dean of the Faculty of Science, Faculty of Technology also in our institution, the co-coordinator, my colleague Dr. Suyash Bhardwaj, and other eminent speakers, including the scientists from AICT and different places, the speakers which I could not listen properly. And at the same time, I would say that such program should remain continue so that most of the people could join such topics to express their views, and this is how we grow from one environment to other, from one movement to other movement, and this is a way through which we learn also. So I thank you all for organizing such a beautiful function, and all the speakers and the guests for attending this valedictory session. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I may like to bring in your knowledge that this time Faculty of Engineering and Technology has already got 3 FDPs from AICTE. One is this leadership FDP. One we got in mechanical department, and they are doing FDP. They'll be doing FDP on alternative fuels. One recently, third one we received in electrical department, and we also wish to have the fourth one. And it is only due to the cooperation of Dr. Girdhari Lalji and Dr. Soni, who are the director and assistant director of Atal FDPs. And each FDP we are getting 93,000. So I would like to extend my thanks to AICTE for granting us 3 FDPs or the 4 FDPs in 2020-21. And in this FDP, 200 participants from more than 123 institutions and more than 23 states have attended this 5 days FDP program. So
Nice.
we are very much thankful to you, sir, and also to AICTE. Over to Dr. Suyash now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Registrar sir, and for joining us in this valedictory session. We have with us Dr. Girdhari Lal sir, Assistant Director, AICTE Atal FDP, and I would like to invite you, sir, for blessing us and for giving us your valuable feedback. Sir.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। बट सर, सबसे पहले मैं भट्ट सर को प्रणाम करूंगा। भट्ट सर प्रणाम आपको। जो मेरी बात थी वो आपने बहुत अच्छे से रख दी सारी बातें, और वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू गुरुकुल कांगड़ी, ओवरऑल गुरुकुल कांगड़ी। मदान साहब इज ए डायमंड इन दिस प्रोग्राम, एंड मयंक अग्रवाल जी, सुयश जी एंड डब्ल्यू सिंह जी हैव नरेटेड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स।
Yeah.
मेरा मानना भट्ट साहब ने जितनी भी बातें की है वही बातें सारी है। फर्क कितना ही है, मैं इन जितनी पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ उनका सबसे पहले शुक्रगुजार हूँ, ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि उन्होंने ये गुरुकुल कांगड़ी को चुना, और वो हमारे लिए धरोहर है। एक्चुअली गुरुकुल कांगड़ी भी हमारे लिए धरोहर है। काफी टाइम से इस चीज पर चर्चा चल रही थी कि गुरुकुल कांगड़ी के साथ कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं हो रहे, पर आपका एक डायमंड हमारे यहाँ भी क्रांति सिंह है। he used to motivate us, एंड बीसी सर से बात हुआ था पिछली बार, आप सबने एक प्रोग्राम किया था, उसमें हमारे चेयरमैन सर वगैरह सब लोग आए थे। तो कहीं ना कहीं एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर है ही है हमारा कि, और जिस हिसाब से प्रोग्राम चल रहे हैं और जिस भावना से प्रोग्राम को कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है, वो भावना बहुत जरूरी है। इंटेंशन और अटेंशन, तो इंटेंशन आपका बहुत अच्छा है, इसलिए हम लोग सब आपके साथ बहुत अच्छे से जुड़े हुए हैं। मेरा लीडरशिप के बारे में मैं काफी टाइम से काम कर रहा हूँ। लास्ट 22 ईयर से आई एम रिफॉर्मिंग द क्रिमिनल्स एक्चुअली। तो मोर देन 25,000 आई हैव रिफॉर्म द क्रिमिनल्स इन लॉट ऑफ स्टेट्स एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स। मेरा जिंदगी में एक ही समझ में है, किसी भी आदमी में कोई चीज बुरी नहीं है, हर आदमी में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा है, वो अच्छाई को बढ़ाना है बस। वो अच्छाई को बढ़ा दें आप, और टीचर हमारे लिए आइडल है। आजकल बच्चे आइडल ढूंढ रहे हैं सर। किसी जमाने में हमारे आइडल हमारे टीचर हुआ करते थे। आज से मैं 88 पास आउट हूँ, 90 है। मैं जब पढ़ता था इंजीनियरिंग में तो मेरा आइडल टीचर ही थे। आज भी वो टीचर मेरे लिए टीचर ही है। पर अब बच्चों के आइडल शिफ्ट हो गए, एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा समाज में प्रॉब्लम आ गई है। तो मैं कहूंगा टीचर्स को आइडल बने, कैसे भी करके आप आइडल बने बच्चों के लिए, और वो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा। उसके अलावा कोई तरीका नहीं है कि कोई दूसरा आइडल बन जाए बच्चों के लिए। यदि आप आइडल नहीं बने तो वो दूसरे बच्चे दूसरे आइडल ढूंढेंगे। तो मैं आप और रियली जो फैकल्टी आपके साथ जुड़ी हुई है, पैन इंडिया पूरा 150 डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट से, 23 स्टेट से, तो आज आपका रीच देखें, गुरुकुल कांगड़ी का रीच पूरे इंडिया में है। इससे बड़ा मतलब कोई भाग्यशाली दिन नहीं है कि सारे लोग आज गुरुकुल कांगड़ी को कम से कम हर इंस्टीट्यूट जानता है। 150 इंस्टीट्यूट जान रहे हैं, 23 स्टेट जान रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो है। मैं फिर आगे उसी बात पाऊंगा कि जो फैकल्टी है वो अपने आप में प्राइड फील करें, चाहे किसी भी ब्रांच में हो, किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट में हो। यदि वो प्राइड फील नहीं करेंगे तो वो प्राइड फील भी नहीं कर पाएंगे बच्चों को। सबसे पहले अपने आप में प्राइड फील करें। वट एवर इट सैलरी इज नॉट ए इशू इन लाइफ, आई एम टेलिंग इट। आपको लगता है सैलरी बहुत बड़ा इशू है, पर आपका यदि विजन ब्रॉड है, सब कुछ ब्रॉड है, तो सैलरी, मनी इज नॉट ए इशू। मनी विल कम इन एनी फॉर्म। कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि मनी इन कैश फॉर्म में आए, बट काइंड फॉर्म में, थॉट फॉर्म में, या रेस्पेक्ट फॉर्म में बहुत सारी चीजें आती है। आई हैव सीन इन माय लाइफ सम अनसीन फोर्स इज वर्किंग विथ यू एवरी टाइम। इफ यू आर फीलिंग, आई एम द फैकल्टी के लिए मैं बहुत गुरु बोलता हूँ, मैं हमेशा टीचर की जगह गुरु बोलता हूँ। आप जब गुरु है तो आप ये सोच रहे, आप व्यासपीठ पर बैठे हैं तो आपके पास दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं है, कोई चीज नहीं है जो नहीं आएगी। यदि आप दिल से काम कर रहे हैं तो ये मेरा अपना जीवन का अनुभव है। आई एम मोर देन 50, बट मेरे को ये कि यदि आप गुरु है तो दुनिया की एक भी चीज ऐसी नहीं है जो आपके पास नहीं आएगी। केवल आप सोचे वो चीज आपको कैसे आएगी, कहां से आएगी, कब कौन देके जाएगा, ये पता नहीं है। आपका कोई काम नहीं रुकने वाला इस दुनिया में, बट ही शुड बी ए फेयर गुरु। आपका इंटेंशन बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए कि मुझे कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, नॉट कंपटीशन। गो इन कंट्रीब्यूशन, नॉट कंपटीशन। व्हेन यू आर गोइंग कंपटीशन, यू आर इन स्ट्रेस। व्हेन यू आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, यू आर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी। एवरी टाइम यू आर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी and feel pride, and don't be football of others' opinion. What other person is telling, it's okay, let them tell. पर जो आपका विजन है, मिशन है, वो बिल्कुल एग्जीक्यूट करें। मैं कहता हूँ अच्छे लोग दादागिरी करेंगे ना तो समाज में बदलाव आ जाएगा। अच्छे लोग बात करते हैं, काम कम करते हैं। मैं वही बात करता हूँ, मैं आई हैव रिफॉर्म द क्रिमिनल्स। क्रिमिनल्स काम तुरंत करते हैं, बात में करते हैं। मैं आई हैव सीन द कमिटमेंट ऑफ द क्रिमिनल्स, एक्चुअली दे आर वेरी कमिटेड। They are not talking anything, they are executing the things. I learned a lot of things. They are clearly, they are not dual minded. They have no two faces, they have only one face. But we have two faces. We are telling something, we are doing something, we have difference in walk and talk. कथनी करने में फर्क और उन कथनी करने में कोई फर्क नहीं है। I'm not, मैं उनके कोई वकालत नहीं कर रहा, बट मेरा कई बड़ा अनुभव है इन सब चीजों को लेके। और मैं कई ऑफिस को रिफॉर्म कर चुका, जहां जहां रहा मैंने रिफॉर्म्स किए हैं। ऐसे नहीं, रिफॉर्म्स आर हैपनिंग, एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट डूअर, थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग। बस आप केवल माध्यम बन जाए, आप वहां पे अवेलेबल रहें कि मेरे को जहां पे भी आप हैं वहां आप रहें। बस आपकी उपस्थिति रहे, सजगता रहे, सहजता रहे, आपकी चीजें हो जाएंगी। और आपका इंटेंशन बहुत अच्छा है ना, तो इतने सारे लोग आपके साथ काम करने आप सोच नहीं सकते। और प्रोफेशनल लीडर की जरूरत इसलिए है कि कहीं ना कहीं अपन भटक गए हैं। हाँ, मैं मदान साहब का इसलिए शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा कि ये टॉपिक हमें बहुत जरूरत था, और पहली बार हमने AICTE की तरफ से ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स किए हैं। जनरली हम थ्रस्ट वैल्यूज पे, इमर्जिंग एरियाज पे, मैकेनिकल पे, इलेक्ट्रिकल पे, इन्हीं पे कर रहे थे। लीडरशिप पे हम बहुत कम प्रोग्राम कर रहे थे, क्योंकि हमारा मैंडेट भी नहीं था, ये मान के चल रहे थे। पर अभी समझ में आया कि यही सबसे बड़ा जरूरत है। यदि आपको आउटर इन्वायरमेंट चेंज करना है तो आदमी का इनर इन्वायरमेंट चेंज करना पड़ेगा, और इनर इन्वायरमेंट चेंज करना है तो ऐसी ट्रेनिंग रखनी पड़ेगी। इनर इंजीनियरिंग, यू कांट कॉल इनर इंजीनियरिंग, इट्स आल्सो इनर इंजीनियरिंग। एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग कि सर आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा फीडबैक सुनाया मुझे कि मेरे को लगता है हमारा बर्थ है। आप लोगों ने जो प्रोग्राम दिया वो हमारे लिए 1000 गुना ज्यादा हम लोगों ने गेन किया इसमें। मनी तो कुछ है ही नहीं। मदान साहब थोड़ा बता रहे थे मनी मदान साहब जो आपने प्रोग्राम किया उसके आगे पैसा कुछ नहीं है। आपने मान लो आज 200 फैकल्टीज के बीच में ये बीज बोया है, ये कहीं ना कहीं बट वृक्ष बन के निकलेगा। आज नहीं कल निकलेगा ही निकलेगा। यू हैव शोन द सीड इन गुड मैनर। और गुरुकुल कांगड़ी की जो भावना है ना, वो दुनिया में कहीं हो भी नहीं सकती। वो प्लेस का ऑरा है, वो प्लेस की भूमि है, इतने तपोभूमि है, हरिद्वार से चीजें जा रही हैं, आप सोच के चले जानी जानी है। मैं 3 चीज पर जरूर बात करूंगा, ABC बोलता हूँ मैं, ABC मैनेजमेंट, अवेयरनेस, बिलोंगिंगनेस एंड कमिटमेंट। कोई भी काम करें फैकल्टी अवेयरनेस के साथ करें, चाहे डांटना है तो भी अवेयरनेस के साथ डांटे, पुट योर 100%, इंटेंसिटी रखें हर चीज में। एंड बिलोंगिंगनेस, यदि बिलोंगिंगनेस है ना तो आपको कभी भी कोई चीज बेकार नहीं लगेगी। इफ यू बिलोंग टू योर कॉलेज, इफ यू बिलोंग टू योर फैकल्टी इंस्टीट्यूशंस, हेड बिलोंग टू, जैसे बिलोंगिंगनेस होगा योर विजन विल बी ब्रॉड एंड कमिटमेंट। आप देखें चीजें हो जाएंगी। और अभी टाइम आ गया है कि हर फैकल्टी को काम करना ही पड़ेगा। आप ये सोच के चले कि कहीं कुछ हो जाएगा, कोई दूसरा आगे कर देगा, ये मत सोचिए प्लीज। जीवन बहुत छोटा सा है। यदि आप देखें तो मैं कहता हूँ, आई एम एसोसिएट विद श्री श्री, लास्ट 22 ईयर से श्री श्री रविजन के साथ मैं जी के साथ मैं एसोसिएट हूँ। उनसे एक बार मेरी बहुत पहले फोन पे बात हुई थी किसी चीज को लेके, बहुत बड़ी घटना हो गई थी हमारे उदयपुर में। तो ही वाज इन स्टेट, ये 2002-3 की बातें हैं। तो उनसे फोन पे एक ही सेंटेंस था उनका कि गिरधारी जीवन क्षणिक है, जितने अच्छे काम करने कर डालो। दैट सेंटेंस हैव चेंज माय लाइफ। लाइफ इज वेरी शॉर्ट माय डियर्स। आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल फैकल्टी, बहुत शॉर्ट है, प्लीज एंजॉय इट एंड पुट योर एनर्जी। एंड जो आपके विजन्स है, मिशन है, जो ड्रीम्स है, वो आप एग्जीक्यूट करें फॉर द सेक ऑफ सोसाइटी। आप देखें आपका एक भी सपना अधूरा नहीं रहेगा इस जीवन में, ये पक्की बात है। पर बड़े सपने देखें, खूब सारा काम करें, जहां आप वो इंस्टीट्यूट महके, आपका पूरा डिपार्टमेंट महके आपकी वजह से, आपके फ्रेग्रेंस ऐसा फैले लोगों को में कि लोग आपको याद करें जिंदगी भर। आप रहे या नहीं रहे, पर लोग आपकी बातों को याद करें, आपके काम को याद करें। क्यों? तब याद करेंगे जब आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा, जब आप सेल्फलेस होंगे। और क्लियर कट बात है, भट्ट साहब ने बहुत सारी बातें की है। मैं आई एम टच द फीट ऑफ भट्ट सर, आई टच योर फीट, बिकॉज जमाना वही है, जो पुराना सनातन परंपरा है उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना ही पड़ेगा। उसको लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु पे आना ही पड़ेगा, और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है। आपको खुश रहना है तो और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है। सबसे पहले फैकल्टी को बोलो आप खुश रहे, आप पढ़ाए या नहीं पढ़ाए पर आप खुश रहे। आपकी एनर्जी हाई रहेगी तो क्लास हाई रहेगी, आपकी एनर्जी लो रहेगी ना तो बच्चे इमीडिएट भाप लेते हैं कि आपकी एनर्जी लो है। आप कैसे भी अपनी एनर्जी हाई रखें, कैसे भी करके अपनी एनर्जी हाई रखें। और लीडरशिप वही है, जो अच्छा फॉलोअर है वही अच्छा लीडर है। क्यों मदान सर? मदान साहब इज वेरी गुड लीडर। एक्चुअली मदान साहब है।
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं सर आप।
हाँ, तो अब अच्छे फॉलोअर बनेंगे तो अच्छे लीडर अपना आप बन जाएंगे, ये पक्की बात है। पर यदि आप अच्छे फॉलोअर्स नहीं है तो अच्छे लीडर भी नहीं बन सकते, ये पक्की बात है। और रखें जीवन में ना बड़ा ध्येय रखें, चीजें मिलेंगी मिलेंगी। क्योंकि आपके साथ में इतने अच्छे अच्छे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, AICTE अटल अकेडमी जुड़ा हुआ है, 3 प्रोग्राम दिए हम लोगों ने, और तीनों प्रोग्राम 2 इतने शानदार तरीके से चल रहे हैं, हमको अच्छा लगता है। आज ही मैं अभी बांदा में एक प्रोग्राम था नोबल मटेरियल्स पे, सर ऑलमोस्ट 12 फैकल्टी IIT से थी, डिफरेंट IIT से फैकल्टी पढ़ा रही हैं। मैं पहली बार मटेरियल को पढ़ा, थोड़ा सा एक सेशन अटेंड किया मटेरियल में किस चीज है। कल मैं IIIT प्रयागराज में कोई प्रोग्राम था हमारा इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस को लेके, मदान साहब नागभूषण सर से बात हुई मेरी। सर क्या लोगों ने फीडबैक दिया, हमको लगा कि हम लोग है ना धन्य हो गए, AICTE धन्य हो गए ऐसे प्रोग्राम करके। क्योंकि जनरली कई थ्रस्ट एरियाज में काम करते रहो तो अब ह्यूमन वैल्यू पे भी काम करना पड़ेगा, तभी जाके कुछ। यदि ह्यूमन अच्छा है ना तो सब सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज नॉट ए इश्यू, ये आइएगा। और टेक्नोलॉजी का वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू टेक्नोलॉजी। उन्होंने मदान सर ने बोला ही था कि वो अरेंजमेंट करने में टाइम चला जाता था बजाय प्रोग्राम करने में। इट्स फैक्ट मदान साहब। हाँ, उन 200 लोगों को अरेंजमेंट करने में खाना पीना सवेरे नाश्ते से लेके, और उनकी कंप्लेंट सुनते सुनते ही तंग आ जाते। प्रोग्राम का जो मटेरियल है वो डिफरेंट हो जाता था और दूसरा मटेरियल डिफरेंट आ जाता था। तो समय की पाबंदियां हैं, पर हम लोग आपके साथ रेडी हैं सर, जब भी आप जैसा भी बोलेंगे वी आर रेडी। और हर फैकल्टी को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्लीज सी अवर AICTE वेबसाइट, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज फॉर यू, लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज फॉर यू। लाइक दैट गुरुकुल कांगड़ी आपके इंस्टीट्यूट से भी आप हमें अप्लाई करें, हम लोग रेडी टू गिव। हमें अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट चाहिए, अच्छी फैकल्टी चाहिए, अच्छे कोऑर्डिनेटर चाहिए। हमारे यहाँ कोई ऑलमोस्ट 40 स्कीम्स हमारे चल रही है। इस साल हम लोगों ने सर कम से कम नहीं तो 1 लाख फैकल्टी को ट्रेन करेंगे हम लोग। पिछली बार मेरे साथ इनॉग्रल में सोनी सर ने बताया होगा, अभी तक हम लोग 279 प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट कर चुके हैं मार्च से लेकर अभी तक। और 36,000 फैकल्टी को ट्रेन कर चुके हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एरियाज में।
वेरी नाइस।
तो इसमें कोई पैसा खर्च नहीं हुआ। और सबसे बड़ी बात ये लग रहा है कि डिस्टेंसेस खत्म हो गई। कल मैं ना, आप जानते होंगे बदान साहब NS व्यास सर हैं IIT कानपुर में।
जी जी।
NS व्यास सर से बात हो रही थी तो उन्होंने बोला एक काम और करो तुम लोग कि जो फैकल्टी जो उनका रेवेन्यू जनरेशन भी बढ़े इस प्रोग्राम से। उनका एक था कि भाई एक रेवेन्यू जनरेशन पे भी आना चाहिए, तो हम इन फैकल्टी को एज ए रिसोर्स पर्सन की तरह भी ट्रेन करना चाहते हैं। हमारा जो अभी आने वाला जो प्रोग्राम होगा वो लेवल 2 का होगा कि इनमें से ही कुछ फैकल्टी निकल के आए जो एज ए मास्टर रिसोर्स पर्सन बनना चाहती हैं। वी आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट देम। जैसे यूकेरी में चल रहा है, मलान साहब अटेंड कर ही रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों का मन है कि जो भी ये फैकल्टी आई है जो भी कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हैं कि हमको और लेवल 2 पे जाना है, लेवल 3 पे जाना है, वी आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट। बट आप हमारी साइट पे जाएं और हम पार्टिसिपेट करें। अगेन आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल क्योंकि इतना सारा आप लोगों ने किया। और WC संघ जी का वो सुना मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का, तो वो लाइव एग्जाम्पल है। मलान साहब लाइव, गुरुकुल कांगड़ी एक लाइव एग्जाम्पल है सबके। यदि कभी मौका लगे, ऑल फैकल्टी से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, जिंदगी में मौका लगे तो गुरुकुल कांगड़ी जरूर देखना है। वो अपने आप में एक मॉडल है, मतलब हर चीज का एक मॉडल है। लीडरशिप का मॉडल है, रिफॉर्मेशन का मॉडल है, कंट्रीब्यूशन का मॉडल है। लोग मतलब कैसे काम कर रहे हैं वहां पे, किस झील से, किस स्पिरिट से काम कर रहे हैं, किस चेतना से काम कर रहे हैं। फैकल्टी से हम आपके साथ हैं। फर्स्ट फैकल्टी को अगेन बोलता जाता हूँ, यू आर द नंबर 1। थिंक ऑलवेज यू आर नंबर 1। यू आर लकीएस्ट पर्सन। आपका जैसे इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है। इफ यू वांट टू सी मिरेकल इन लाइफ, यू आर मिरेकल फॉर अस। यू वांट टू सी मिरेकल इन लाइफ, यू आर मिरेकल फॉर अस। एक तो आप अपने आप को बिल्कुल कमजोर नहीं समझे। लास्ट में एक छोटी सी स्टोरी से खत्म करना चाहूंगा। एक मंदिर होता है, उसमें हर जगह पत्थर होता है। फाउंडेशन भी पत्थर का होता है, स्टेप भी, जो सीढ़ियां पत्थर की होती है, बाउंड्री पत्थर की होती है, गुम्बद पत्थर का होता है, मूर्ति पत्थर की होती है। एक भी पत्थर कम हो तो मंदिर कंप्लीट नहीं होगा। तो आप वो पत्थर है मंदिर के, हर उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट मूर्ति का उतना ही पत्थर फाउंडेशन स्टोन का भी है। कोई यदि प्रोफेसर है, कोई असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट योरसेल्फ माय डियर्स। यू आर द स्टोन ऑफ द टेम्पल। उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंस है आपका भी जितना टेम्पल में मूर्ति का है। तो आप हर स्टोन की उतनी इंपॉर्टेंस है उस बिल्डिंग में जितना एक मूर्ति को पूछते हैं लोग बाग। तो प्लीज डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट योरसेल्फ एट एनी कॉस्ट। डोंट फील लो। वी आर विथ यू, गुरुकुल कांगड़ी is with you, or all faculty members and all colleagues are with you. Anytime you are feeling low, please call us. We are ready to attend your call. Thank you very much, sir. धन्यवाद सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर.
Thank you, Dr. Girdhari Lal ji, for such a nice deliberation and motivating all institution and faculty members on behalf of AICTE. Means if the regulators are like you, then there is no doubt that India will show a great show very soon in the top 100 institutions or top 50 institutions across the world. So I am highly obliged, sir. I am highly thankful to you, and I am highly thankful on behalf of Gurukul Kaangdi also that you have such a high words about Gurukul Kaangdi. And on behalf of Gurukul Kaangdi, I also welcome all the faculty members who have attended this program to visit Gurukul Kaangdi and see our campus, museum, and various other facilities. Thank you so much. Over to Dr. Suyash now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir.
Can we have Shanti Path after that?
Sir.
After the program, Shanti Path.
सर श्योर सर. सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने हमारा इतना उत्साहवर्धन किया और अपना आशीर्वाद दिया. आज हमें वर्चुअली ही सही आपसे मिलकर सर बहुत अच्छा लगा, और हम आशा करते हैं कि हम आने वाले समय में एक ऐसा FDP या ऐसा एक प्रोग्राम कराएं जिसमें आपसे हम फेस टू फेस और फिजिकली मिल पाएं. और सर ये एक जो समस्या है कोरोना महामारी की वजह से, वो हमारे लिए कुछ चैलेंजेस और कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज दोनों ही लेके आई, जिनके बारे में आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया. और सर आपका आशीर्वाद और आपका सजेशंस और आपका जो सहयोग हमें मिल रहा है, और डायरेक्टर सर का भी और सहस्त्रबुद्धे सर का भी, तो उसके लिए सर हम बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। हम जल्दी से जल्दी और एफडीपी और आप सबके आशीर्वाद से और भी प्रोग्राम्स जल्दी से जल्दी कराएंगे। इसी आशा के साथ मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूँ आज हमारे आई वुड लाइक टू नाउ
सर एक चीज और बोलना चाहूंगा कि हम लोगों ने
जी, सर।
कोई एहसान नहीं किया है, गुरुकुल कांगड़ी डिजर्व करता है प्रोग्राम के लिए। एआईसीटी ने कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं किया है, क्योंकि वो डिजर्व करते हैं, इसलिए वो सब चीजें जा रही है। और रियली
जी, सर।
कहीं भी कोई हम लोगों ने 1% भी किसी चीज का कोई फेवर नहीं लिया है, अपने आप चीजें सिस्टम में आ रही हैं, वो हो रही हैं। हमको मुफ्त में क्रेडिट मिल रहा है, फर्क इतना ही है, बाकी चीजें आप डिजर्व करते हैं। रियली इंडिया में आज की एज में बहुत अच्छा रेटिंग है गुरुकुल कांगड़ी का, इसीलिए चीजें मिल रही है। मतलब बाय द कोर ऑफ वर्ड कहीं भी हमने कोई इंटरफेयर नहीं किया किसी चीज में भी।
जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। Now I would like to call Tanya Mittal to present the official formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. I am grateful that I got this opportunity to present a vote of thanks for valedictory session. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record thanks to our all dignified speakers. For speaker of first day, I would like to thank Dr. Ishwar Bhardwaj, Dr. Vikas Arora and Professor V.K. Singh sir for their enthusiastic lectures. I would like to extend my thanks for speakers of day 2, Professor Amit Mittal sir, Dr. Alok Kumar sir, Professor Gulmala Suri for their blissful sessions. For third day, I would like to extend my thanks to Dr. Pankaj Madan sir, Professor Anil Kumar Upadhyay sir and Dr. Mayank Agrawal sir for delivering their vision through their lectures. Similarly, I would like to thank speaker of fourth day, Professor H.C. Purohit sir, Dr. Ritesh Shukla sir, Dr. Jay Prakash Bhanu sir for their knowledgeable session. For the fifth day, that is today, I would like to present my thanks to Professor Alka Sharma ma'am, Dr. Sanjay Marwa sir, and finally, Professor Shweta Anand ma'am for delivering such great and wonderful session. I would also like to give special thanks to our Honorable Registrar, Sir, Professor Dinesh Bhatt, Sir, and our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Roop Kishore Shastri, for their blessings and support in organizing such events. I would like to give a very, very special thanks to Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director of AICTE Atal, and Dr. Arvind Kumar Soni, Director of AICTE, for their amazing support in organizing such great FDP. I would also like to thank Dr. W.C. Singh Sir, Registrar and Professor of Manipur University, for his great word of knowledge and his presence in FDP. I would also like to thank Dr. Suresh Bhardwaj Sir for his perfect technical and support and guidance throughout the FDP. And last but most important, a very, very special thanks to our coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Pankaj Madan Sir, Dean of Faculty of Engineering College, Gurukul Kaangdi Vishwavidyalaya, for organizing such a great event on leadership. As such events cannot be organized overnight, the wheels started rolling weeks ago. Such event requires planning and a bird of eye for detail. I would also like to appreciate all the participants, including Purabi Goswami, Somu Sir, Dr. K. Lata, Subha Rao Ma'am, Aarti Ma'am, Dr. Mamta Ma'am, and every other participant for their auspicious presence. There were participants from 23 states of India, connecting every part of India, and as many as 150 institutes like Shivaji Rao College Pharmacy, Engineering and Management University, Kolkata, Mitra Mandal College, Pune, and many other universities. Finally, I would like to thank everyone for their involvement and their willingness to take participation in FDP and making it a successful event. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all participants. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to thank from core of my heart, I would like to extend my wishes and for you to be safe at your home. And I hope you have enjoyed the sessions, and I hope you have learned so many things from this FDP. I would be sharing the link again for the feedback, and we are really hoping
sir. Thank you so much.
from each and every participant so that we can improve and we can.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you want to say something, Shobha Patil ma'am?
Thank you.
I would like to
Nothing.
a few words I would like to say, sir.
Yes, please, ma'am. Please, ma'am, Shobha ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
I think that is some network problem with some participant, and she want to say something, but we are not able to hear. No problem, sir. We will.
Wants to say something.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it was wonderful sessions throughout all 5 days, and the special thing what I have noticed in this FDP is every day, in fact every session, it has been started with a shloka, and that has reminded our roots. So that was a fantastic thing. Maybe the reason is you have situated in a holy place like Haridwar, and it's a very pleasant experience for me. And I don't belongs to the management stream, sir. I belongs to engineering field, and we have a very little connection to this shloka and all those things. But still, we use some anecdotes like Agarwal sir has mentioned that Kaka Chesta, Shwana Nidra, Bakodhyanam, Grahatyagi, Alpopahari. So all these have motivated many of us. So I express my heartfelt thanks to the organizers and wonderful organizing by Madan sir and others. And it's a wonderful experience for me, and I have done my best. One thing that I have submitted whatever you said assignment, but after submission only I came to know what is the actual action plan. Because I have gone through the last session. So, if excuse me if I have done anything wrong. And thank you, sir, once again. And if time permits, I certainly wish to meet you all when I come there. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. Now over to Pankaj Madan, sir, to say a few words.
I heartily thank Dr. Girdhari Lal ji, Upadhyay Sahab, Registrar Sahab, and all the participants from all over India. I can very well understand that how difficult it is to stay from morning to evening for 5 days. And one by one, great speakers were speaking, and you were just getting it and responding, doing a lot of things, assignments, questions, answers. So it was really very hectic. So it's a time to relax. We will end up with Shanti Path, and then we will end this show. Thank you everyone to be with us and making this show a great show. Dr. Suyash, Shanti Path.
Thank you, sir. Now we will end the session. शांति पाठ से कार्यक्रम के समाप्ति की ओर बढ़ेंगे. ओम देव शांतिरंतरिक्षगम शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापः शांतिरोषधयः शांति वनस्पतयः शांति विश्वे देवाः शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वगम शांति शान्तिरेव शान्ति सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। सभी का धन्यवाद,
बहुत धन्यवाद।
सभी का धन्यवाद, सभी को नमस्कार, धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you, Madan sir. Congratulations to you and Mayank sir. Mayank sir is regular follow up करते रहते हैं वो हमारे साथ।
जी, आपकी चर्चा होती रहती है।
नहीं वो स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलोअर है, स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलो अप करते हैं।
Thank you, sir.
It's nice, so nice. Thank you, sir. And credit goes to all the Gurukul Kangri team.
Yes.
And देखो sir, people are telling about Shanti part. People are telling about the mantras and all these things. It's a great achievement for us. नहीं, Suyash sir, your name is very good. Sir,
thank you sir, thank you sir.
CBSE वाला प्रोग्राम बहुत सुंदर होगा सर।
हाँ सर, जी।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर।